Shenzhen VG Centrino Intelligent Data Technology Company Limited was founded in 2009, located in Shenzhen City with convenient transportation and beautiful environment. It is a national high-tech enterprise with more than 10 patented technologies and has won many professional awards and honors in the industry. The group covers an area of more than 20,000 square meters and employs about 100 people. The group is a manufacturer specializing in integrated hardware and software solutions for solid-state storage and computing convergence, and its main products include industrial solid-state drives, SSD, storage boards, intelligent computing recorders, and storage arrays. We have rich experience in high-end equipment informatization such as vehicles, ships, aviation, enterprise, and other industries, and big data acquisition, mining, analysis, processing, and visualization. In addition, our team of R&D engineers keeps coming out with patented products every year and endeavors to develop new products to meet different needs. We have many large-scale precision assembly lines and more than 150 sets of testing equipment to strictly control product quality. From SMT mounting to high and low temperature testing, from component assembly to packaging and shipping, we have professional staff to operate according to ISO 9001 quality system. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefit, we have won the trust of our customers with our professional services, strict quality products, and competitive prices. We warmly welcome domestic and foreign customers to cooperate with us and create brilliant future together.